Jamaica, I told y'all what Mr. Holness' plans were. I told y'all that this old Nara shit is gonna give him the privilege and the power to take your land from you and develop it up and put you somewhere else. See it start at St. Elizabeth there. See it start at St. Elizabeth there. Him say the people them have to move from Parottee go to Melbourne. See it start there. I tell you now. So Mr. Holness keep on proving me right. I tell you all what was going to happen. See it there, it start happening right now. Mr. Holness, the people in Parottee have to go move from the beach side. Yeah, them have to go move go to Melbourne, and the people them down there create havoc right, you know. Hey, murder Jamaica, yes, so nice. It's not really nice, you know, but me just use it.
You so good, Andrew. And I not say because so good, you know, batty boy, because I say blood clot Jamaica, you know. Andrew, you are your so good government, you know, so what you do yesterday? The 700,000 houses for bill for the people for Melissa. Want to have the billions of dollars slump on. Want to vote against it and so they not be no host to the blood clot for people them because they know what the plan for do with Jamaican and Jamaican people. But that for reach somehow the dirty blood clot down there. Because when people open their mouth and attack, I want to see them one blush blood clot, mama son. But listen no. You see them wickedness when I do to Jamaica. Bernard Charles Jr. When I go suck out your blood clot, mama, and suck your father balls. Drunk crow. Dark shit, are you first jump up and say, you know, not been out to the Jamaican city so. So, the excellent people them for the, I said this morning, Parliament, Jamaica Ocean are dep on fire. Jamaica Ocean dep on fire, Jamaica Ocean are under fire now. 700 houses on the sound not been known for the poor people them. Who want the excellent people them for the dirty Andrew, suck with Andrew and Bigfoot Juliet? I don't know me dep on me, dep on about the
Wagwan, my Jamaican family, and once again welcome back to the Yardy Reacts. If it is for the first time you are checking me out, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Whereby today guys, on to our video. It is about the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, whereby he was trying to send the Parottees out of their land, and hereby the Parottees were angry, and so they had to come around, you know, and even give it out a protest, mainly because the operation that the Jamaicans are receiving currently in their country, and all in it, the Prime Minister is alongside it, it does hurt. So the Parottees have come around, and some other people, you know, other Jamaicans, and they came around giving out their opinions. And so this video is a compilation of a couple of videos concerning the Parottee residents because they were being sent out of their land. So I want you to watch the entire video to the end, and I'll be back with more.
Declaration this evening from residents of Parottee in St. Elizabeth over an announcement from the Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Holness, that they will be relocated. Now, the coastal community was devastated by Hurricane Melissa, and residents have been struggling to rebuild. Krista Campbell has details.
Devastated seaside community in St. Elizabeth and a government's plan to relocate those unable to rebuild. But not even heavy rains could stop the people of Parottee from sending this message on Tuesday.
The Prime Minister have been right to say what he must say, but he have no right because I have to come ask you what we want. No, we live here. What we have about?
I come here, I not left for business they are run. They are part-time business community. And if a tourists are come here, them have one room for me because I know where I go.
I am not leaving, and the whole community is standing up. They are not leaving. A boat tossed by the sea onto what's left of a backyard pool gives only a glimpse of the extensive damage Hurricane Melissa left behind here in Parottee. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has not said exactly where the residents will be relocated to, but the name of one community has already come up.
But we don't got Melbourne. Me can't play. Me is a fisherman. Me is a tour driver. Me can't play. Me have time, yes, so. But if me broke right now, Chuka area for me not gonna play ball right now. From me have people should come, Chuka area never turn them back.
There is no plot of land which have been used for farming within this area, right? Most of the residents they benefit from the sea.
I'm ready to aware of this, and there's no town hall meeting. And you just hear that you have to relocate it.
Blocks, steel, sand, and other construction materials are evidence that the rebuilding process is far advanced here in Parottee, and two-story buildings buildings like the one behind me are even clearer evidence that the people intend to rebuild in the only community they say they've known, which is why their response is clear.
Well, I'm like my third generation fisherman in my family. So if Andrew relocate me, I don't have nowhere to put my equipment and my boat. So I cannot leave.
After Hurricane Melissa, I myself have spent over $5 million to renovate my house. And to hear that I have to relocate, that's not nice. And I'm not.
This morning, me about to address Andrew Holness. But I know someone will see the news when say the people them have Parottee down there in a Black River have to go relocate. Hear me now this morning, my boss. The people them have Parottee say they not left. The people them have Parottee say they must stick together as a community. Hear me now. Me I know the sharpest pencil in the box. But relocation mean, and relocate mean, when you left, you know, come back. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Me say, then can't come back once they left and relocate them. Hear me now, my boss. You have to understand, so the storm take a lot of things from people. Some of them still have their life. Some of them only know the seaside. And so, they survive. And some of the people out there in the diaspora, we don't have to understand this. Until we in the position, we don't understand what some of them people they feel. Some of them people they don't know nothing but the seaside. I saw them provide for their family. I saw them put meal on the table. And I understand the Black River mash up. And the man said then did I go build a third city. I understand what I go on. He want to put up some new infrastructure, big word. Oh, God, me there. But here when I say now, my boss, you have to include the Jamaican people, them down there in a Black River or upon the seaside in the plan where you have. And that you need to do. Because here when I say to you now, if you move the people them from down there, and not build up this and create this to tourists, you only sell out the place to other people. Jamaican people want a piece of the pie to me general. Who don't need to come down and look on the reality. We can't just sell out everything. Yes, we want investors in the country if we can do certain things, yes. Me not blame you upon that. But at the end of the day, the people them down there on the seaside, some of them are that them grow can know or if you go a sea. Some of them don't know nothing else. So you have to put the people them in the plan. When you say relocate, what you try to say, then if you tap on the gas and lift clutch. And that you say. And the people them of Black River are down there in a Parottee, so they're not left. They must stick together. You understand? Where some of the people them fi go. Where no one put them, some of them don't know if they survive nowhere else. Majority of down there can't swim. And that then do go a sea, go catch what them a catch and sell. And then hustling. Me understand say the place have to develop, you know. Don't get it twisted. You understand? But at the same time, include them down there. Well, live there in the plan where you have. Now just can't tell them about relocation. Come have a meeting with the people them and sit down with them and make them know say, yeah, we are going to go on. We are going to develop down here. And we are going to make sure so we don't get a piece of the cake too. Because the cake is big. We don't know about it seems like we don't bully the people them. But people, me want to tell me where you think about the situation. Down there in St. Elizabeth, Black River. You understand? One front line.
Good morning, world. So I've just saw it on the news where Andrew, big nose Andrew, me not like you. You are wicked to the Jamaican people. And me not stop talking. You will never ever see Bruce Golding. You can never ever walk in and none other former prime minister. Andrew, you are the wickedest, you are the most corrupted prime minister that God ever put in a Jamaica. You have the Jamaican people them on a spell from India, and it's like they are so blind that them can't even see how wicked you are. Now, Melissa had taken everything from a lot of us in St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. We have lost almost everything, but the greatest thing, we have life and we are on top of our grave, and that is something to give thanks for. Now I saw it on the news where Andrew will relocate the people them from Parottee in Black River and put them where, because you want the beach side to sell out to your Chinese friend them and pocket the money for your Labour Party people on a door move. If you don't have a black road, on a black road. Because we are the government and we pay them. So them not have more talk more than we are, because no for uno Jamaican, uno don't know no right, and that's why Andrew deal with uno so. And nobody can tell me say Andrew no go to India, go have uno on a spell for uno so blind, especially to the one who want to talk about 4-term loading. And the day Andrew go to Black River, everything turned disaster. And uno blind to it. Are uno blind, uno fool, or uno stupid? Which one? Why are uno giving this man, why uno give this big nose man so much power? Andrew, you are the wickedest, you are the worst, you are every jack of every trade. You take milk out of coffee, you big nose man. But you see when God ready for you, you
Sir Jackfruit blood clot nose, aka Andrew Holness. Sir Jackfruit nose, Mr. Brohag, aka no love for Jamaican people, so could Andrew Holness. Come here, come to the front of class, sir. Free speech, I'm using it. Yeah, no one life is being threatened. No, come here. So could Andrew Holness, I need you to step forward to the front of the class, because I do not understand. What you mean? You are move bumbuckler Jamaican poor people from when them born and grew and them family and alive, leave them, land give them. And you attack, take it upon yourself. You big and mighty, so could Andrew Holness, puppet Andrew Holness. You are the only one that decided that you are going to relocate the people them. Yeah, send the people them go plant blood clot yam and a fisherman them. How the bumbuckler you can send fishermen to go plant yam? Eh? You want the man to go chop and dig off them foot and their hand, chop off their hand and their foot? Eh? The man they over to a rod and go to a bumbo class to go catch them fish. You want to take away people that land to be a smart city. You bumbo class so good Andrew Holness. You all on the labor right now. When you come here back on the bumbo class so good Prime Minister. One thing I can't tell you in the labor right. I pray say, I only show up on yourself first. We live in a bumbo class St. Elizabeth Priory. Priory, I wait there, yeah. I hope say on the first day front of Bumbuckler line and speak against the unjust Prime Minister. Yeah, when I don't love who and nobody in our country, only in pocket and the white people them. You know, hear him already tell you say as long as blood clot it make the white people them happy, him not care about nothing. That's why America can have big warship power Bumbuckler Island. Yeah, America happy. And then when the Cuba they start retaliate and China and Bumbuckler Russia, Jamaica go feel it. Yeah, now this sucker boy I tell me people them say want to relocate them because him have intention for them land. Yeah, only because him have intention for them land, that's why him tell these people about how you going to relocate them. Relocate the people them say them not moving. Jamaican people them say them not move. The man said, one of the person said, him is a third generation fisherman. Where man carry him boat them go, and one lady said she spent 5 million for build up back her place after Melissa. So, what is it that the government intend to do? Take these people and put them in a container after some of these people have 3-story house. What will they be compensated? Eh? I heard Bruce Golding asking America and Andrew Holness, where is the money after and kick out China and Cuba out of the country? Who is going to get it? Not Jamaican people. Hey, they say that a civil war will be breaking out soon down there, and Jamaican people may openly make it be an island-wide spread, and everybody go make Andrew Holness resign. Who no go cry if Andrew Holness resign? He is too cruel and wicked towards the people. Him not no love. Melissa pass and gone almost a year coming. A few months make it a year. Melissa Bumbuckler pass and gone. People still are suffer. People still are hungry. And now him no roll out none of the plan them. All him do sell Jamaican people dreams. But the labor them now gonna like me because I talk the truth. And me use my free speech. Yeah, me not threaten him. Me not tell him say no. No. He is the bumbuckler, biggest thief and most powerful man in Jamaica right now. So how me if you go like say me want threaten nobody life? No, who is me? I will not threaten no one life. Nobody whatsoever. No. I just don't like the thing he is doing. And I am an entertainer. So Sir Jackfruit blood clot note. So could Andrew Holness. Me no business, it's called free speech. Your life is not being threatened. If you want to feel away, me no blood clot business. Do better in our country and do better for my people them. And I will respect you and approach you better. Yes, but you know me already my side. And Jamaica people, worldwide people, I mean, TikTok said to press the go like button. Please press the go like button my side. Yeah, TikTok said to tell you no, please press the go like button. Yeah. Press the go like. But you know me already. This video is for entertainment purpose only. Like, share, follow me.
People of Jamaica, when we are going to get rid of Andrew Holness, you know, she say, just one story, news story I go around now, say down a Parottee, St. Elizabeth. I tell the people, say them need to relocate from where they have been living for generations. Because him want build hotel at the shoreline where the people them live. What can go so? That town seems like it's a town of fishermen. And he's telling them that they need to relocate so him can build a hotel. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? But I think from last year, people been and said, even me said, say if they are going to try and get the people them land. We are talk about smart city, but a hotel him a put there. Why, sir? Can we all collectively as a people impeach this guy? Like how them did impeach Donald Trump in his last term. Him a get out of hand. He's getting out of hand.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you've watched the entire video to the end and you have heard whatever the Parottee residents had to say concerning this matter of them being, sent out of their lands. And in this case, it is said the lands are for the government, but a government needs to, have this dignity concerning their people. And so this is the, it's not on the right side in Jamaica. Like, instead of the government protecting their people, the government is the one that is oppressing their people. How comes a government would come just onto the land whereby the people have invested in it, they have built their homes and whatever they're getting a living out of it, and yet the government will come just one day, wake up and come, and decide to send you away? Mainly because the fact is that the government want to sell this land on to foreigners, and thus the Chinese, mainly because the Chinese would love to build their projects there, like big hotels, big businesses, and open something. Why wouldn't the government just think about the people a little bit? And that's why each and everywhere we go, we will find out Jamaicans crying out for Andrew Holness to resign. Really, because the oppression is enough and they have had enough and now they need a change. And so by organizing some kind of a protest, it definitely will make sense. But it's very much terrifying, mainly because we have had cases in Jamaica concerning police brutality. So definitely, if you form up a protest, that definitely jumping out on a frying pan straight into the fire. And remember, from the pan, there will be oil. So jumping into the fire, it definitely is going to cause much trouble. Mainly because, why am I saying this? Nowadays, police in Jamaica don't fear shooting and killing the people of Jamaica. You have had cases of the police brutality, concerning police brutality. A case like for the 14-year-old boy whom was shot dead by the police. And later on, as they had to form a protest, Buju was on her way to the protest and she got shot dead by a policeman. So you tell me, these people whom are supposed to be protecting you are the ones whom are assassinating you. It doesn't make any kind of sense. So definitely, like, protest in Jamaica currently, it's like, yeah, jumping straight from the pan to the fire. And this is so much when we see a country that is the most influential country trying to go down or being demolished by the government, in the case that it is selling piece and piece of the land to foreigners. It might be an investment for the country, but this is selling the country, mainly because you'll come around and you'll find out a very big, huge part of your country is being owned by foreigners. What are you going to do when they decide to overpower you? Mainly because each and everything they are the ones who are owning. Why would the Chinese be owning beaches in Jamaica? And even they have kept the beach private. Why would the Chinese be the ones whom are owning big businesses, but when black people try to come and find jobs in those businesses, they will refuse them to work at those premises? That's again racist. Despite of the Chinese, economically bringing Jamaica up on a certain level, even in terms of infrastructure, again, it's like they are taking this country. We might say maybe they're coming onto this country mainly because Jamaica is owing them. They have got the debt, so they are trying to pay it in this such kind of a way. But in another way, again, it doesn't make any kind of sense, mainly because this is leading to the oppression of Jamaicans, as the government itself, it's displacing their own people just to sell the lands on to foreign people. And right now, the Jamaicans are crying out loud, and all they are mentioning is their Prime Minister and Holness. And right now they are crying he should resign and be taken out of the government. You are the one whom gave him the power, so you can take it. It's high time Jamaicans stands up for their rights, mainly because if you sit down there and sigh, no one is coming to help you and nobody will even think about it. Mainly because this is a country that is being fought by two other different superpower countries, the China and the United States. So tell me, in which side are you safe? No side are you safe, and no country is coming to help you but you alone. So stand up and fight for your own rights. So guys, I need to know whatever you think about this amazing video. Let's come around, share our thoughts throughout the comment section so we can get to interact and know what you think, and mainly because your opinion does matters to us every day. Thank you very much guys for following up the video with me. I was your host, Yadi Reacts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving, and to me, always remember to link me up through my next videos. All I want to say is peace out there.